welcome to our family. We feel like you're already part of our family just in the short time that we've had to visit here today. And to think about your family, 12 generations, working on 13 generations, is just a remarkable partnership that I look forward to for the state of South Carolina, the Oconee County.
South Carolina is the new home of American innovation, and that South Carolina is built for the new economy, and that when you come to South Carolina, your company grows, your employees grow, and the community that you're in grows, and that's what success is all about.
In Oconee County, we look to recruit great companies, and if we can land ones that we consider to be top shelf or the gold standard, that's even better.
Today, we are proud to announce an important step in our company's history. Mosdorfer is coming to Oconee County, to the United States, to establish a manufacturing operations here in this beautiful county. And this is more than an investment. It's a long-term commitment. It's a belief in this community. And it's a belief in the future of America's power infrastructure.
Companies that seek a lifetime community partner need to feel confident that once they make their decision, that community will be there to work with them and support them over the years. These are major financial decisions that have a tremendous long-term impact on a company, and they need to get it right.
As you see, a project like this never happens because of one person. It happens because people work together. We are excited to become part of this community, and we want to be a responsible neighbor, a reliable employer, a trusted partner, and an active member of Oconee County. To everyone who welcomed us, thank you. To everyone who supported us, big thank you. To everyone who believes in this project, and colleagues here, thank you. We are honored to be here. And together we look forward to building a strong future for Mosdorfer, for Oconee County, and more important, for reliable electricity infrastructure in the United States.
On behalf of Oconee County Council, I want to extend our sincere appreciation and thanks to Mosdorfer and the Neal Group for their decision to select us for their first North American operation. Mosdorfer checks off all the boxes we look for in our recruitment of industry to Oconee.
In your comments, you talked about, it's not about this quarter, but it's about the long-term future. And I think that is what sets your company apart, because we look forward to you having a great long-term future here in Oconee County. It is the business climate, but I would tell you, as been mentioned earlier, it's truly the people of Oconee County and their work ethic and their dedication to doing a job well for whoever they're working for. And I look forward to, with the partnership that you have with the technical college here, to provide the type of individuals with the training that they need for you to be successful, because as you're successful, our community is going to be successful, our state will be successful. From our family to your family, welcome to Oconee County and the state of South Carolina.